Let me tell you about some of the telescopes and some of the projects we're doing. At Coonabarabran, about 500 kilometres away from us in Sydney, we run the MOPRA telescope. MOPRA, at 22 metres diameter, is the largest millimetre telescope in the southern hemisphere, and our group runs it over most of the winter months. We're involved in a number of big projects with it. One of them, for instance, is surveying what we call a hot molecular cores. These are regions in the centres of forming star clouds where a whole range of organic molecules are found. And these hold the key to the process of how massive stars form. These organic molecules provide traces to the evolutionary state of the clouds. We're also involved in using the Australia telescope. This is the interferometer. This is the array of telescopes at Narrabri which can be connected together to simulate one giant telescope. Right now, Australia has the first, in fact the only, millimetre interferometer in the southern hemisphere. And with the southern galactic plane and the centre of the galaxy going overhead here in Sydney and here in Coonabarabran, we're able to get the best views of the star-forming clouds in our galaxy. So at the moment we have a unique facility, the only one in the southern hemisphere, and we're able to peruse, to study the hearts of these star-forming clouds in ways that no one else can. So it's a major research focus of our group. Not only do we use these telescopes in Australia, these millimetre telescopes, we're also involved in infrared astronomy. Infrared astronomy allows us to look into the hearts of these clouds and actually see the stars that are forming. The millimetre lets us see the gas, but the infrared lets us see the stars. And so by going to telescopes in Chile and sometimes in Mauna Kea in Hawaii, we're undertaking a program to find the protostars, the stars which are just forming. One day indeed we actually hope to go to telescopes in Antarctica where we'll be able to make the finest observations in the infrared of any place on the planet. But at the moment the Antarctic project is still in its early stages and we haven't actually built the telescopes there. But that's another project we're involved in.